of a race.
Yeah, it was pretty interesting there. Class is getting tighter and tighter since they're starting to break down these rules, and well, that's that. Eddie was giving me a good run there. I was racing him pretty clean. I don't know what he was thinking come down here into one, but I guess once you win one, you think you deserve them all, or I don't know. But other than that, car's been pretty good lately. Track's been pretty good here in the last 2-3 weeks. Come along here pretty good in this for this track. Best it's been so far in my mind. I got to thank my sponsors: Bob Schwartzmiller, Hannah's Clothing, Mousetrap Bar and Grill, Bulldog Tree Care, Lawford Construction. Thanks, buddy. Stush's Automotive, Cal Racing Engines, and Hedgeband.com. And I'd like to thank Fuzzy and Billy Robinson for helping me put this cam in this car for tonight.
Alrighty, Brian Hutchko, you're a winner.
Be careful going home. Have a great week, and don't forget to see back to event. We'll take you to the Ohio night, and then in 2 weeks, then after.